Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you were a subscriber or you visit my channel pretty frequently, welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to be doing a brown smoky eye for you guys. I don't know, I've been liking smoky eyes lately since, fall's been kind of coming around the corner. So my eyebrows are like already done. No, I actually do not like them. But I'm gonna go in with this Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. I was like so obsessing over this when this palette first came out. Like, I think it was last year this palette came out. I'm gonna take this color right here called He Devil.
One of the hottest, YJ, the P.
I'm just going to kind of cut my crease sort of with this shadow. Kind of actually coloring in the crease of my of my natural eye shape. I'm just following that. See how that's cutting my eye kind of out like that? So I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. That's a mouthful to say. And I'm just taking this Morphe M441 brush. I'm taking this brown shade right here. Tapping some of the excess off, and I'm just gonna concentrate this in like the crease area.
You're now listening to YJTheP.com.
Back in with this palette, I am now taking this dark brown shade right here.
One of the hottest, YJTheP.com.
From the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This whole look is probably going to be based off this palette. I'm just going to sort of like cut my crease in a sense. So to intensify the eyes, like to go more prominent, I'm gonna go in with this shade Twisted right here with my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. I think that's what this is called. Taking that same brush, picking some of that product up. I'm going back in with this brown shade right here. My brush is still kind of wet. Tap some of the excess off, and I'm going to just darken this up right here. Taking this gel liner in the shade The Ink. Gel eyeliner. Why did I just have like a brain freeze? That's actually funny. And I'm using this like eyeliner brush, something I don't use. So hopefully I have a steady hand for this. Ooh, that mirror is dirty. So now I'm just going in with the Nars Longwear foundation in the shade Cadiz, and I'm just going to be blending that out with a damp Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just going to make sure all this foundation is distributed over my entire face. Then I'm going back in with that black liner that I actually used previously to do my cat eye, and I'm just going to be lining my waterline and the bottom of my lash line to kind of smoke my lower lash line out a little bit. Taking this concealer in, well, the Nars concealer in Caramel. So now I'm going in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm taking that medium shade that you see in the middle. I'm pointing to the left, but I actually realized once I put that color on my forehead, you barely could see it. So I just went for the shade that was right next to it, and I'm just contouring my forehead down the sides of my cheeks and also along my jawline to kind of give my face a little bit more definition. Taking this banana powder, just setting under the eyes because we do not want creasing. So I'm going now in with this damp Real Techniques sponge that I use for my foundation, and I'm just stippling off that excess powder that I put on my face to set underneath my under eyes and, you know, around my contour. I do this technique all the time just because I feel like it brings the foundation and everything together and you're not left with a white cast. Gonna bronze my skin up a little bit. Drippin in Gold, I'm gonna use that shade. I'm gonna highlight the highest points of my cheeks. So I actually forgot to show that I used this lip liner by NYX Cosmetics. It's in the shade Cocoa, and I'm also pairing it with this liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty called Trendsetter. It's like a mauvey nude.